Kerala Passport Office on Wheels check complete step-by-step guide on how to avail service in a move to offer a seamless and convenient option to get the passport. Kerala's regional passport office has taken assignment and has launched the Passport Office on Wheels facility. The initiative aims to allow people living in remote and rural areas to get full access to the passport service via a mobile unit at their doorstep. It will make the application process more convenient, faster, and efficient. Nanan, in case if you are interested in knowing or getting the benefit, we have created a step-by-step guide that will help you get multiple benefits. The list includes new passport application processing, renewal and reissue of passports, police verification support, guidance for required documentation, and minor and senior citizen applications. Down to know all the details. Nanan, Step 1, book an appointment. Visit the official Passport Seva website and select your nearest scheduled location. Under the Passport Office on Wheels section appears when the service is active in your area. Step 2, fill out the application form online. Choose the type of passport service you require and fill in your details. Pay the applicable fee online. Step 3, select Passport Office on Wheels as location during the slot booking process. If the mobile unit is visiting your area, it will be listed as an available location. Selected. Step 4, visit the mobile office with documents on the scheduled day. Carry all necessary original documents and photocopies, Aadhaar, proof of address, date of birth proof, etc. to the mobile unit at the announced location. Step 5, on-the-spot processing. Swipe left for next. Video biometrics, photographs, and document verification will be done on the spot. You will receive an acknowledgement and tracking ID for your application. Latest blogs.